slowly. Oh my gosh, I think I need bifocals. No. What daylight saving? Why do they even call it a daylight saving if you're literally not even saving electricity? I love that tingling feeling, and if I don't have that tingling feeling, I'm not happy. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video we are opening up, unboxing the November Macy's beauty box subscription, and I'm so excited. I know that I was absent last month. I really do apologize. It was a very busy month for me, and I thought I was gonna get it done and I didn't, so my apologies. Okay, so this is what I was most excited about. I did not even get a perfume, last month. So I was like, this is really not a good, in my opinion, a good Macy's Beauty Box subscription. But the only thing that I did really liked and I was very excited to get was this vitamin C skincare. Please let me know if you guys went ahead and used this. What did you guys think about, except for the tingling, okay, ladies? Tingling is completely normal because it's 20% vitamin C. So it is really high in vitamin C, and when you have that tingling feeling, that means that it's working. I love that tingling feeling, and if I don't have that tingling feeling, I'm not happy. So that's that. I like my vitamin C 20%. In my opinion, they're very weak and they're not strong, and I just don't see the results. But with 20% vitamin C, I see results. So please let me know down below if you guys really did like it, and if you guys are seeing improvement on your complexion, because I know that you guys will. This is a really good skincare product. So I have my Macy's Beauty Box subscription right over here. I'm sorry again, I'm looking like a mess. I feel like every video, almost every video, I look like a mess, but we're not about this. We are here for this. So look at this. Do you see that? Where is it? Look. Yeah, it's just one of those days, but we're gonna keep rolling, okay? So let's go ahead and unbox the Macy's Beauty Box subscription for the month of November, because I'm excited. Daylight saving. Daylight saving. What daylight saving? Why do they even call it a daylight saving if you're literally not even saving electricity? You're literally using more. I don't understand that part. Like right now it's 5:30. And it's already pitch black. Going into 5 o'clock, it was already pitch black. So, oh, this is different. Okay, so first thing is, let's go ahead and scan this QR code. Even though every time I go into this website, it's just all for hoodles and nothing is in order, but we are just going to give it a go again, and hopefully the products that I have are within this webpage. So, all right, we're in. They used to give you the retail value on the website, and I really don't see the retail value no longer on the webpage. They keep updating this. Excuse me, it's 5 o'clock and it's busy in this household. So if you do hear dishes, people talking, dogs barking, it's 5 o'clock over here. Yes. But we're just gonna go. So we have these two. I love their fuchsia pink. Are you a pink team or a fuchsia team? I think this is a fuchsia color, so I'm a fuchsia team. Let me know under the description box if you're a pink or a fuchsia tissue kind of gal. And then we have this, which I have no idea what that is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this first because I wanna know what's in this box. I'm very excited. Oh, is this a massager under the eyes? Look at that, so cute. I like it. How pretty. I don't see this thing here. I know it's an eye massager, but I don't see it here. So we're gonna proceed. So let's go ahead and open this tissue. Looks like it's more skincare this time. Might be wrong. All right, since I grabbed this one, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this is from MAC Hyper Real Summarize Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. So it is a serum from MAC, a hydrating serum. So we're into the cold weather. This is great. This will be really nice to go ahead and test. This is how small it is. 0.17 fluid ounce. Let's open it up. Oh my god. Okay. It has fragrance, so if you guys are not into skincare that has fragrance, this might not be for you. I'm like 50-50, it all depends. Most of the time fragrance products do break me out, but it smells really good. This is how it looks. It smells really pleasant. I really do like that. Okay, next we have the, oh, this is cute, from Tony Moly, Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. All right, and then you are getting, I cannot see for the life of me. Not even with glasses. Holy moly. Wow, is this for real? Like, are you kidding me, Jennifer? Oh my gosh, I think I need bifocals. No. Okay, so we have, oh my god. So we have a 0.33 fluid ounce here. Oh my gosh, it's not even funny, guys. It's not even funny. All right, so we have a 0.33 fluid ounce here. And this is how it looks, and it's a retinol eye cream. Because of the Macy's Beauty Box subscription, I am able to try out a lot of eye creams, and most of them are not really good. We are going to try this on this side here. Again, it does have fragrance. I don't smell the pumpkin though. If it's supposed to have like a pumpkin fragrance, I don't smell it. Next, oh, Kiehl's. This is, I need my phone for this because I have no idea what this is. Okay, it's a lotion, cocoa butter. Okay, a body lotion. Okay, that's nice, and it's a 1 fluid ounce. Yeah, I like that for once. This is a great size to travel or put it in your purse. I don't want to put anything under the MAC Hydrating Serum. At the end of the video, I want to show you guys the glow on this. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put it over here. Scent is very settled, thick consistency, but it's a very subtle, mild fragrance if you're into that. It's very soft. Next, we have Origins Plant Fusion, and this is oh, we got a lot of hydrating things here this month. And again, it makes sense because we are going into the winter season, so we're getting a lot of hydrating products here. Okay, we have the Hydrating Body Supple. Okay, it's a moisturizer. 8-hour hydration, strengthens skin barrier, gentle exfoliator, softer, smoother skin all over time. And then it has scents of jasmine and grapefruit and cardamom with hyaluronic acid and apricot oil with salicylic acid too to help improve skin radiance. Oh, this is very soft. So this is how it looks. Very thick, very hydrating. Wow. Oh, you can smell the jasmine. That's a really nice scent. So after when you shower, ladies, all over your body, oh, I am going to lather myself with this tonight. Oh, that smells amazing. I've never tried anything from their brand or from their line. Very nice. And then lastly but not least, we have Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer 8-hour Hydra Play. Again, another from Elizabeth Arden. This whole box was all about hydration products, which I'm loving. Okay, so here's the packaging. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. And you know from which product it is? This one right here. Yep, this one right here, ladies. If you guys like this, this is how it's gonna leave your skin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good one to purchase. Absolutely. Okay, going back to over this. I'm literally running out of like room. This is how it looks. I like that smell. I can't pinpoint what that is. Oh, this you get a 0.17 fluid ounce product. Oh, what it does. Perfecting Daily Moisturizer pumps with instant lasting hydration for softer, smoother, glowing skin. The lightweight, gentle, multitasking formula hydrates, brightens, refines pores, controls oils, and primes and perfects skin. Suitable for all skin type. Wow. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that smell is, but it smells really, really lovely. Full price on this, it is $38.25. The origin, if you guys want to know exactly the price, this is the MAC. So the full price of this hydrating serum is $90. $90! No wonder. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Wow, $90. And then for the Origins, the full price of this is $48. I would definitely go with this for sure. But again, this is for the face if I'm not mistaken. This is for the body. So they're completely two different things, but still I would pick the Origin. All right, so that is that for all the products that I went ahead and I got on the November Macy's Beauty Box subscription. I'm very happy. I am gonna actually go ahead and use all of them because we're in this cold season. And let me tell you something. Look at my hands. Do you see that glow? Do you see that glow? Do you see that glow? Yes and yes. So, if I remember correctly, Origin is this glow right here. MAC primer is this glow right here. The body lotion is this one right here. Look at that glow. It is a good one. It's like self-care and I am enjoying it. So that is it for this November's Macy's Beauty Box subscription for the month of November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a like. Please sub to my channel. It will help the algorithm so much. I'm rambling here, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.